No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, Mandy.
It's not your food.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. She's excited. See?
How much does she win?
She won 200 meals. It's going to say in just a second.
So no money.
Can't do anything for the next 30 days. Us.
Here, Katie. Take a crap.
Oh, let her win this.
Ugh.
Hey, who's this?
Andrea,
Hi, Andrea. Where are you calling from?
Belleville.
Hi, what are you doing this morning?
Help my mom get her work.
Cool.
Okay, awesome, So are you back in school yet?
Yes, ma'am.
That's awesome. What grade are you in?
6,
Okay, so, and you're how old?
11.
Okay, so do you know the answer to the question this morning? We're talking about a tadpole. It turns into what? You know it, don't you, girl?
Yes, ma'am. Frog.
Yes. She knows her biology. Well, congratulations, Andrea. Hold on the phone. Gotta get some info from you. Somebody's happy.
Somebody's happy. Tell everybody what station made you a winner over there in Daleville.
997.
It's time for some football. Any way we can get it. At the
See,
game,
now aren't you
TV,
happy you
and
get
even
up?
online. If you like watching your favorite team,
I've been trying to get you to get up for a week.
Now, what did she win?
She won 2 kids Happy Meals, a thing to the skating park at the
including ESPN,
Fun Zone,
so you can see every pass, catch, and
backpack
touchdown
thing
in
from
high
the Poodle
definition. Plus, with the Spectrum
Pusher
TV
in
app, you can watch the
Ashworth,
game in any room, or you
and
can catch another game
a
at the same
kid's
time.
997
With thousands of
Woof
on-demand options, there's always
FM
something
t-shirt.
to watch when the game's over.
We gotta cash all that in.
443522999.
No,
In the
when?
next 2
Spectrum TV
weeks.
is only $29.99 per month when bundled. And with Spectrum TV, you also get access to
Nope.
watch ESPN.
Monday through Friday.
So you can always see the game, even when you're not at home.
You gotta make
Spectrum
time
TV
for
with
it,
Spectrum
man.
TV app and ESPN. It's the ultimate fantasy team. Call 844-352-2999 and get Spectrum
I may
TV
just have
now.
to tell them
Restrictions
today
apply.
that I don't
Happy Meals
have
make
anything to
it
go
dinner.
get.
This is my box now. Why don't you chew that? Ah, crap. They were wrestling with each other. Come on. There we go. It's his box now.
We were also hearing more and more about how General John F. Kelly is bringing a certain decorum to this particular White House that we have not yet
He's
seen,
ours now.
at least according to a couple of the big papers. What's going on behind the scenes? Well, first of all, I'm so proud of President Trump for putting together this
Weenie.
coalition of the United Nations.
Little weenie dog.
Included China and Russia, really the first time in a very long time that a coalition
Little dude.
stood against this.
Little dude. Not you. Little dude. Go play with something else. Don't you dare bite my feet. Oh. Quit playing with people's feet, man. I'm trying to squeeze your little body under there.
Missiles and nuclear armaments off the table, and I think that's an amazing feat for the President of the United States after just 6 months on the job.
That's his bed now. You got little D right here. Little D! What you doing, little D? Got little man right here. Got Jasper right here, the dad. Dixie's over there, but she's gonna get fixed today. Let's see where the others are. Hard to see over here. Stortino, Feline. Elsa's right there, sleeping with Andrea. Who's Nene? She's sleepy. Did you hear Chris Pratt and Anna Faris are getting divorced? Oh, really? What?
Chris Pratt's suit. Oh, never mind. That's mean. But he's hot. Oh, crap.
Little D, where's your little cup? Oh. Just comes out from under the couch. Sneak back under there. She's gonna go under. Nope, she's gonna crawl over. Here's the last one. We got Miss Kitty. Hey, Miss Kitty. Let's see if we can get her to meow. You just love some loving. Wish I can get her to meow though. Oh, there's little man. I want to get her to. Hold on. There we go. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for messing with you. I just want to get you meowing. It's Miss Kitty with her little milk stash. Here's my little man. Little man, buddy. It's all of them. Oh, she's playing with the medicine cup right now. Usually Dinah plays with those. Dinah will, little D will carry them around in her mouth. It's funny.